Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable theater mode on this watch. Theater mode, as the name suggests, is useful in places like theaters, cinemas, basically anywhere you don't want to be disturbed, because it disables some of the functions of the watch, also changes some settings, that it makes it less intrusive. Basically, the screen won't wake up randomly anymore, the notifications will be muted. I believe also the screen brightness will be reduced and stuff like that. Anything that would disturb you in some settings like cinema, maybe theater, or something else. And I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. So to enable the mode, you need to wake up the screen. Open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here on the quick panel you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be the theater mode icon, the one with the masks. And you can tap on it. As you can see here, we have a description what the theater mode does. It basically mutes the notifications, lowers the screen brightness, reduce the minimum, or rather the screen brightness is reduced to the minimum. The wake on wrist is disabled. Always on display will also be disabled. Anything that will interrupt your experience, basically. And then we can press the upper button to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You can't even probably see the screen because it's so dim right now. But basically, the screen is on right now. I can see it. It doesn't show on the camera. Maybe if I cover it with the... No, it won't show anyway. But the screen is on. You need to believe me. And now your watch won't. We have really low brightness of the screen. It won't wake up when you raise your wrist. It won't wake up when you tap on the screen. The only way it will wake up when you press the buttons. The notifications will be muted. And what else that was there? Oh, the always on display will also be disabled. So anything that would disturb you will be disabled. And to disable the mode itself, if you want to turn your watch back to normal, you need to open the quick panel again. As I said before, you don't see the screen, but basically you need to open the quick panel again by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then tap on the theater mode icon again, which you can't see. But once you tap on it, theater mode will disable, and the watch will go back to normal. It's a shame that you can't really see it because the screen brightness is so low. Maybe if I do it at the angle, also not great. But yeah, you can tap on the icon right here. You will see the message theater mode off, and the watch will go back to the normal operation. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.